if you're a middle class to upper middle class family, and you are, or even if you're not a family, if you're a single person, or maybe you're someone who's aspiring to be upper middle class, you're not there yet. With what's going on in our country right now, how are you to take action to try to improve your family? Because it's uncertain right now, and it's scary, and people are nervous to make any major decisions like, should I buy a house or not? Or should I wait on the market or not? And that's what we really want to talk about today.
Yeah. I mean, what would your answer be to that? Because like we're in a housing crisis. Interest rates are high, very high.
Yes.
So what would you say like a person should do in that situation? Like if I want to buy a house, what would you recommend?
So the first thing I want to do is address interest rates, because I've heard a lot of people, I've seen it on Instagram where people will post interest rates today are over 7, but they'll show where they were in like 1964, where they were 14% or 18%. And that's not the right way to look at this, because what we have to look at is affordability. Because if we were to go back over time into the 60s, the 50s, the 40s, even the 70s when rates were high, you had people getting paid minimum wage in the like $1 to $2 per hour range, right? And everything in the grocery store costed less. So when we're actually looking at what does it cost to buy a home, we have to look at everything. We have to look at interest rates. We have to look at the cost of homes. We have to look at wage growth. And for sure, right now, it's the most expensive time to buy a house that's ever been in history.